Good morning, gentlemen. My topic is cybersecurity. In the today's world, the thing that has become the needs of the person of a person is the cyberspace. With the advancement in cyberspace, the thing that is threatening it is called as cybercrime, or or we can call it as disturbing as a disturbing element of a cyberspace. Basically, cybercrime is a process where another person steals the user data of another person, and just in case uh, to make the first person suffer by financial or psychological pressure. For example, hacking is a process where hacker actually creates a financial pressure on the another user, and create and it can and he can also do it for just for fun or for stealing confidential user data. Moreover, hacking is also one of the major threatening forces which have been in continuation in the today's world. For the major examples of the hacking are the hacking in the US elections, where the Russians hackers actually hacked the US ballot paper and created fake Donald Trump's and created fake ballot and created fake electorals. Moreover, because of this, the cases of suicides and financial loss are increasing day by day. This had not only created a fear in the heart of people, but also have made them to not to trust the internet. While the internet also help fear, but also it can harm people also. To cope up with the cybercrime, the world came up with a solution. It was called as the cybersecurity. Cybersecurity experts are those persons which majorly deal with those cyber crimes and help the sufferer to come out of that fear. Moreover, cybersecurity experts also are experts in hacking, and moreover they just find those culprits and make them suffer a lot. The 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 punishment for the cybercrime in today's world is very high, and it has created a fear in the heart of those culprits. But then also, this cybercrime had not found any end. For example, if we see the bitcoin or the cryptocurrency, in that none of the it is actually fully encryptable. Not even the user, not even the pair actually knows who have uh, who have transported the money, and no one can actually see it. That is the major cause of cybercrime, that it can also be made by the cryptocurrency, that it can help that it can be that it can also help in hacking. But then also, cybersecurity had been coping up with this, and with the advancement in technology, it had made those hackers suffer, and also it had made internet very secure. For example, if we see, there are many security providing companies like Google, Kaspersky, McAfee, and many other kinds of companies. The major thing which we all should do is to always create a strong password, not to keep confidential data on the internet, and always keep a pen drive for backing up of data. This will also help. This will help the user to always restore the data if it is lost, and will also help him to again gain the access to those lost data. Moreover, it will also help him to protect his data from those serious hackers which can steal money and provide those passwords to someone else. In the end, I would like to say that with the advancement in technology and cyberspace, the cybercrime is constantly increasing. But If the user gets his mind on the topic more, then he will surely protect his data. Thank you.